Yo, what is up guys? Today I'm trying a new video format here. So I have my GoPro. You guys can't see me, but we're here with the Silvia. I think the fuel pump's bad. There we go. Oh man, is it gonna die right here, bro? Come on. Don't die on the hill, bro. So I ordered a Walbro pump, and today I'm gonna teach you guys how to replace it. So let's get into this trunk here. It's cool that this car still has carpet. It smells like the Silvia that I remember and love. So you guys haven't seen a video from me in a while. I've been having a couple complications here and there. Also, whatever this wiring mess is. Speaker. All right, so first things first, let's go ahead and disconnect this. I broke it. These clips always break. There we go. Now we're gonna get some tools. I've got the Walbro pump and everything in there for the install. Hopefully you guys can see okay. And then I believe we're gonna need probably a 10 mil. I need this, most likely an 8mm. So let's see. Let's see, is that, oh, that's the 8, that's why. So these should be 10, if I remember right. Oh, that's a 9? Oh, okay, the 10 was where the 9 was. All right, try that again. Let's see, so let's take these 4 bolts off. And these actually didn't break like on my 240. What's up, man? Trying out that GoPro you got me.
Hey, look at that.
Can you see the little preview? Hmm? It's in 2K.
2K?
It's in 2K,
Damn.
60 frames.
That's amazing.
I hope this is the problem, because if it's not, that's like gonna suck big time.
Yeah, I'm sure that won't be good.
Never is. On my 240, all these bolts were just in terrible shape, and I broke every single one of them. Worst part about this is the fuel lines.
Oh, it's all the way under your cylinder.
Well, I'd move it if this car moved.
Huh?
I said I'd move it for you if this car moved. Unfortunately, that's what I'm fixing. All right, there's that. This kind of pops off here. Oh, we do got a little bit of a fuel leak, it looks like.
All right, man, I need you to
Maybe?
get it since you're enclosed. I can get down there.
Where at?
It's just directly under there.
Oh, damn, bro.
I know. You're smaller than me.
I don't think it's worth getting.
You can get it, man. I know you can.
It's all the way by the exhaust.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't.
For this part of the video, you'll just have to.
I don't think I can.
Do a time lapse.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Don't drop it again. All right, 8mm now. Actually, let's take these lines off first. I don't even have pliers. Finagling this fuel line. I'm pushing the fuel line off now. But you don't want to push it too far back, because if I drop this, then I'm kind of like SOL.
Oh, that's not good, dude.
No. Okay, see, that one didn't leak. This one did. Man, wear gloves, kids. All right, well, anyways, I'm gonna start taking these screws out. These are 8mm. Or you can use a screwdriver on them. There we go. Another fun part. So now, kind of have to get this out of here. Sealed in there pretty good. There we go. And there, we didn't even need the paper towel. See, look at that. This whole thing kind of lifts up and out. Phew, that looks pretty rough. Look at all this crud on this thing. Oh yeah, that pump is, it has a Walbro in it. That's aftermarket pump. Has a Walbro already. I got it. It has a Walbro pump in it, dude. Look at this strainer. That's all debris. That's pretty rough. All right, let's see here. Basically, yeah, it has a 250. It has the same pump in it already. Alright, well, should be pretty easy replacement.
That's the same one, man.
It is, actually. It says Walbro on it.
Is that better?
Let's see how that's wired. Okay. So actually the setup on this one's a little different. Why are these? This is tied into, okay, that's positive. Which one's ground here? Wiring is super finicky in this. Oh. Let's see if I can. I should have had you grab my pliers too. That's okay. So this will pop out of here. Maybe. Kind of, sort of. Should have worn gloves when you're messing around with gas. Okay, so white is positive, and of course black is negative. Easy enough to remember.
Sounds a little racist, but you're gonna have to reseal that.
My tank?
Yeah.
It should be okay. I don't think I have pliers in this, because that would be just too much of a big brain play for me to throw some pliers in this. It might be some of my other car. No pliers, really. That sucks. I'm gonna take these though. This would be nice. Yeah, we can kind of organize a little better, huh? Okay, we need to get some pliers to get this off. Crimp these on there, the better connector here. I think I should probably do that. I don't really want to have to splice it twice, but I take this off. Yeah, these were soldered. These were wet anyways. I don't really think they're supposed to be. I don't think they're supposed to be wet. Well, let's go find some tools. Okay, we're back. Got some pliers and stuff now, so. I don't really want to use these again, but I kind of want to use these screwable ones on the outside of my fuel tank. I'm trying to just twist this to break this plastic loose because I don't have a knife, unfortunately. Let's see if Justice has a knife in here. There we go. Cool. Sweet. Okay. Let's get into this new bag of goodies here. Okay, let's see. Order of operations. My intuition tells me this sits somewhere in here. Probably like that. So what we're gonna do now, we gotta put this on there. So we're gonna cut this. I'm just gonna pick a spot. I actually would like to cut these pretty equally. So, they're both probably gonna run down. Call it like right here. Get that one snipped off. Same spot there. Don't need those. We're gonna crimp this. Or not crimp, excuse me. So we're gonna find one where we can kind of shred this cable off, okay? Find the gauge. Then we're gonna peel it back some. See that green? It's corrosion. It's not very good. The black one probably has it too. It's not the end of the world, but it's not necessarily something you really want when you're working with electrical connections. Now, I think we have two of these. So these will work is basically one on here, kind of twist it on. One on here, and you kind of twist it on. And then you kind of crimp it down. Now, we want this to reach to our fuel pump, so let's kind of get this placed up here. So I spent the extra money. This is the Walbro 250 pump. Same one that was in it, which is weird because these pumps don't really fail. Take this little cap off, essentially. Oh wait, what am I doing? We can keep that in there. I bought the metal one, stainless steel. Should do the trick. That comes off. This sits right here. You know, maybe it sits like this. Maybe we're onto something here. Yeah, and then this sits right there. And then the filter is supposed to go on, I think. I think. Maybe it only works with this one. Yeah, because this would have to sit. Let me look. I don't think it's supposed to sit like that. Let me see. Yeah, it's not, but might be the only way that I can actually like get this to work, because it's supposed to sit kind of down like this underneath of it. Guess I can cut up this grommet. What we're gonna do is slice and dice. There we go. I mean, the filter's kind of dented a little bit, but that's fine. Probably get this line on here. Should be pretty adequate there. We can do this. See, put this on. Let's get this one on. So that this guy has somewhere to sit. Okay, so now this guy will go in like this. Okay, really don't need that much wire. Probably like we'll give it a little extra, but I think this is being even generous. Just like that. Too far back, I'd say. Really great in here. You want to be really careful with manually crimping these, because they like to take the copper wire out sometimes. These black to black, red to red. You know the drill. Kind of crimping that bit. Make it a good connection here. I like to do this. You don't really need to do this, but you can kind of almost like heat shrink. Well, I think that's pretty much on there. That, and then we do that. Maybe. That way they're both on the same side. Don't forget to put those on. Well, I broke the float mechanism, so I'm fixing it. Okay. Anyways, now what I did was zip tie. All right, here's what we're gonna do now. I'm gonna put this in. We're gonna get the lines hooked up, and then we're gonna make sure everything works. Because if it doesn't, that would suck. There we go. Everything lines up, so that's good. Now, just gotta get these lines on. Easier said than done. Pump at least comes on, because now, you know, if I still have my sputtering problem that you guys saw, then it's probably a fuel filter or a clog or just something. Tightened real quick. Let's see here. Get this plugged in. Oh, it's working. Cool. Let's get everything back together and see if that's what our problem was. Get all this cleaned up, and then take it for a drive, see if that fixed it. I like to do this one, go across from it, tighten up this one, just because it's like a circle. So then go to this one, kind of like you're doing like a wheel, you know. Get that pretty snug. And I mean, that's pretty much it. Now, kind of fold this so that it lays down nice and neat. And get these bolts kind of finger tight here. Let me get everything cleaned up now, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know, it was kind of long, drawn out, a little tedious, but I hope that you learned something from that. Please like, comment, subscribe. That helps me out a ton. I did not get to record me driving the Silvia because my GoPro actually died, but it did in fact fix the stuttering problem that I was having. So now I got a Walbro 255 pump. She's freshly installed and the car's running great. I will have some more content up for you guys. Hopefully not as long of a wait, but please, you know, if this helped you out in any way, make sure to do that. Like, commenting, and subscribing. Maybe share it with your friends if he's having some trouble with a fuel pump or anything like that, and let me know what you guys would like to see in the next video. I've got a big surprise for you, so can't wait to make the video. See you then. Peace.